Let's learn about shape.
This is the circle. This is the circle.
Here are some examples of circles in our daily life. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Here are some examples of rectangles in our daily life. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Here are some examples of triangle in our daily life. This is an oval. This is an oval. Here are some examples of oval in our daily life. This is a diamond. This is a diamond. Here are some examples of diamond in our daily life. This is a star. This is a star. Here are some examples of star in our daily life. This is a heart. This is a heart. Here are some examples of heart in our daily life.